Assalamu alaikum, everyone. So what we're doing today at Dubai Municipality is prioritizing infrastructure over aesthetics, let's say. So we're focusing on green not just as an added afterthought or just like as an added element. It's basically one of the utilities as water, as electricity. So we're trying to weave the city into green corridors where every sikka, every open space, every pocket park is connected together, enhancing the quality of life of the residents, also creating a thermal buffer to enhance and increase the thermal comfort of everyone who's walking, enhancing walkability and sustainability of the spaces. So let's say as a representative of the youth of Dubai Municipality, I see this as a social contract with the next generation, where we're not just building a city, we're actually nurturing an oasis, where we want to reach a point where architecture and the built environment is smoothly seamless transition to the ecosystem, where let's say green is not exclusive to special districts, but it's all over the city and makes Dubai an oasis. Let's say the main objective is keeping green not as a destination, but as an everyday experience. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that, and well said. Let's move on to another answer.
Beaches. Okay.
One
Hello,
answer?
everyone.
Hello.
Okay, beaches. Beaches in Dubai are one of the most attractive and favorite destination, as we know all. And in developing the beaches and waterways, we are not creating just infrastructure. We are doing and creating living public environments. So we are not just focused on the coastline itself, maintaining it. We are creating attractive spaces, amenities with different activities, promenades, walkways, and all these to create a sustainable places. What sustainable places means works for people needs nowadays and the next generation's needs as well. So to have also like globally iconic destination and a new experience for people in Dubai. And beaches are not only blue. We also enhance the green vision in the beaches. We are adding the green elements in the beach, shading, to make the places comfortable for people and enhance and elevate the well-being and the quality of the life as well. What we are doing also on the beaches, the connectivity. We want to connect the coastline, as what we did in Al-Mamzar. We connect Mamzar Lagoon with Mamzar Corniche to be like one continuous full experience. And the lagoon itself, we connected the both sides of the lagoon through floating bridge. So people can experience one continuous coastline and enjoy it. And what comes next is we want to scale this approach. We want to increase the coastline and the length of the beaches. And at the same time, we want to connect the beaches and the coastline with the surrounding space and areas. So we combine the green and the blue together, and people will have like one full experience. And this is how I see the foundation of Dubai's blue and green cities vision.
That's a lovely roadmap. So I want to take this forward to Engineer Ahmad Alkhoori. So tell us about what you're doing now and where is it going forward as the next milestone in the future?
Thank you, Yusuf. I honestly thought about this question a lot, how to answer it in a very simple way. I will not talk about technicals. I'll go to the core that His Excellency mentioned. Today we're designing facilities that is human-centric. We look at people needs, actual community requirements, rather than having engineering aspects of the project. Because today, what I like to say is that we are in the business of shaping life. We receive more than 30 million visitors, for example, just in our parks yearly, rather than or other than the beaches itself. Earlier, parks were separated. They were dealt as a green standalone asset. Today, we're talking about an integration with the blue and green agenda to have it all connected. So today, we are connecting the systems, to have one urban system. So it's not a project. It's actually a system that will be implemented. We have very, with the leadership of His Excellency and Mr. Badr here, very, hard KPIs, honestly, and targets to achieve. So scaling it, as per the system, not as per individual projects, connecting parks to beaches, to corridors, to neighborhoods. They all come together as one connected network instead of being a separate facility, I would say, whether it's a beach or a park or even an open space. Also, another very important point that I would refer to is that future generations, we never know what will change. So today we're building something not for us, for the people coming. We need to be dynamic. We need to be agile, as His Excellency said at the beginning. So basically, our vision was future parks for all. Today, with the blue and green agenda, I'm proudly saying that it's future parks, beaches, open spaces for all. This is what we learned from our leadership in Dubai.
Thank you very much, Engineer Ahmad Alkhoori. I want to take this forward as well to Engineer Afra Alsuwaidi.
Good afternoon, everyone. Continuing to what my colleagues were mentioning, today what we design, what we manage, and what we plan in our cities will define how livable our cities will be. In Dubai Municipality, our work focuses on embedding everything that you guys said, the blue and green principles into our real decisions, into how our services, our infrastructure, and urban systems are working. And as mentioned in the previous panels, Dubai Municipality controls a huge percentage of the services in the city, which accounts for more than 60%. And from my perspective, this gives us a unique and a strategic position in managing our resources, how we can plan them, how we can operate them and maintain them. So to support this, Dubai Municipality has a clear strategic plan that organizes and governs sustainability across all of its sectors and agencies to make sure that every practice and every project that falls under blue and green follows the best sustainability practices out there and contributes to the UN Sustainable Development Goals and also to the 2040 Urban Master Plan. And my work actually builds on this foundation and focuses on creating strategies and policies and roadmaps that creates a sustainable and a circular impact across all of the projects that are in Dubai and are managed under Dubai Municipality. Especially when it comes to the efficient use of energy, water, wastewater, and material. A key thing that we are working on is to determine how, to estimate the greenhouse gases emissions, baselines and targets, and continuously to monitor our projects to see how we are contributing to the bigger agenda, which is the UAE's 2050 carbon neutrality strategy. And what are we pushing toward right now is for our services, turning our services and the projects from the traditional linear cradle-to-grave model into a more cradle-to-cradle approach to ensure that all of the resources that we use across our municipal services are being continuously renewed, regenerated, and re-embedded into our ecosystems. And the other focus that we are focusing on right now is the smart water and energy solutions and the circular waste systems and the expansion of our greenery, urban greenery and blue systems across our municipal services. And one last point that we are really pushing toward is keeping youth around decision-making tables. Because today, as we can see, Dubai is being built by the youth. Youth are leading projects, are leading innovative solutions in the field of sustainability, and contributing to their community with the different community initiatives. So keeping them there as they are in decision-making tables really will create a future of Dubai, which is a resilient, circular city that sets an example and a benchmark for other countries in different fields, not only economically, but socially and environmentally. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now let's take this to Engineer Fatima Sulaimani. Give us the overview of the now and what's to come.
Okay, to make it short, without my plant, they're all deserts. So my work focuses on translating the blue and green vision from strategy into reality. So through landscaping projects, we're not just adding greenery, we're actually designing functional green infrastructure that cools the city, promotes walkability, promotes biodiversity, and integrates social interaction. So each project is taken into consideration as an interconnected system, from selecting climate-resilient native plants, using efficient irrigation and recycled water, integrating pedestrian corridors, and enhancing, of course, the quality of life. And then your next question was, what's next? I would say the next phase is moving from landscaping elements into citywide guidelines. So taking these elements into citywide guidelines means taking into consideration that green system is working closely with the blue system as well. Taking green system from the early stages of planning. So we have to work closely with infrastructure teams, planning teams, so that to ensure that all the green infrastructure is taken into consideration from the early stages of development. So citywide means moving from individual projects to a green system that residents can experience seamlessly every day. Thank you so much.